Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Crochet with Dominic. Have you ever made a scarf and each row is the entire length of the scarf, or maybe a sweater where the bottom, it just didn't stretch? Well, the problem with foundation chains is they don't stretch. This row of double crochet, it's very stretchy. That's the bottom, that would be where the foundation chain is. And if you look, it's very stretchy. Now, a lot of patterns will tell you to make your foundation chain really loose, but still, you don't have good stretch at the bottom. And the scarf will look really nice when it's done, but after you wear it for about a week, the top starts to stretch and your project will bow on you. Well, I'm going to show you how to prevent that from happening with a simple crochet hack, and that is a row of double crochet foundation chain. It's basically a row of double crochet with no foundation chain. It's super easy to make. You're going to start with a slip knot on your hook and you're going to chain 3. That's the height of a double crochet. And instead of working lengthwise and making a chain, we're going to work in a different direction. So you're going to yarn over the same way you would do a regular double crochet. Go into your first chain. Now it's like we're doing a double crochet, but before we do the double crochet, we're going to yarn over and we're going to make one chain and pull it a little bit loose. Then you're going to yarn over and finish your double crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to make our next double crochet. So yarn over, turn it upside down. You see these 2 strands right here? That is the chain that you made. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Before we finish our double crochet, yarn over, pull through 1, making a chain, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over again for a double crochet. There's that chain we just made. Make sure you grab both strands, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go into that chain that we just made, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So if your pattern said chain, I don't know, 20 plus 3, then double crochet in whatever chain from the hook, and it would give you a total number of double crochets that you were supposed to have. You're going to combine your foundation chain and your first row of double crochet into one row. And then you would continue with whatever pattern you were working on as normal. The difference is your foundation row is going to be very stretchy, allowing your project to flow much nicer. Do a couple more with you guys. So technically we are making a foundation chain, but we're making it as we go. So you're going to have a full double crochet between each chain, which allows it to have that stretch that foundation chains are lacking. I made a sweater with a hood one time, and when I first made it, it looked really nice. But after I wore it a couple times, the bottom wasn't stretching, but the top was. And it just kind of, it had this balloon effect, and it made me look a lot bigger than I really was, and it was unflattering. So the next one I made, I used this technique, and it came out much nicer. Pull up a loop. Make that one a little bit loose too. Chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go into that chain you made, pull up a loop, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you go. That is how you make a foundation row of double crochet to give the bottom of your project much needed stretch. Thank you for watching.